Here we are on day 3, traveling through northern Italy. Hope you guys enjoy. Please do leave a comment, a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you much. Later. Hey everybody, welcome to day 4. We kind of had an exciting night last night. As soon as we pull into the hotel, my motorcycle would not turn back on again. I think I might have an alternator issue, so we got it running while we just make this video. But we saw this waterfall, and we just had to come by and take a peek and say hi to y'all.
Also, it's day 3.
Oh, day 3. I've lost track.
It's okay. It's been a morning.
Yeah, it's been a morning. So we're going to be jump starting the bike a whole lot, and probably not be able to fix it until we get back to Germany, but we'll make do.
All right.
Bye. All right, so we just left that waterfall area. We just said hi to you guys at. So this is that town. It's not the town we stayed in. It's just the next town over. But just a really beautiful northern Italian town. Italian waterfall there. Again, it looks like something, those mountains over there to the right look like something out of Jurassic Park or Pangea. Just waterfalls everywhere, just really gorgeous. And we're not going the speed limit, so we gotta speed up a little bit. Yeah, like that, come on. Pterodactyls flying around up in there, probably. So we got the bike running. We'll see how she does. I really don't want to have to jump start it every single time. If I park on a hill, I can do a run and bump start, but we'll see. But alright, we're gonna let you go for now. See ya. So we just went through a small little border crossing. The guy just waved us through, so now we're back into Switzerland. And then we'll be crossing back into Italy after that. But we are now in Switzerland. Doesn't look much different. Same mountains, same river, same road, different country. But these roads here feel like wide open boulevards compared to what we were doing yesterday. And we're going to try to go a little lighter today on some of these roads because they were taxing by the end of a 10-hour day. Check out this this rock tunnel here. I feel like if that piece gives out, that piece is coming down. Ay, ay, ay. Look at this little river right here with this bridge. My goodness. Just look up there. Unbelievable. Yeah, temperature-wise, it feels like it's in the low 60s almost up here. That's about, let's say about 18 degrees Celsius for our non-Fahrenheit enabled. I could be all wrong. So I don't know if you can see it, but we just noticed up there's a giant wall. And I wonder if that's a dam up there between those peaks. But that is ridiculous. It was unreal. Yeah, look at that up there. Wow. It looks like an old wash bed too. Maybe a waterfall was there before they dammed it up. You can see the trail down lower. That's incredible. riding through San Cassiano. My best Italian impression. Just smack dab in the middle of this green valley. Like, the amount of tree coverage on these cliff sides, these mountains are so steep. We're just taking the road through it. So we're keeping our eyes peeled for any kind of automotive hardware store / bike mechanic place that's open. So we can either what I think is probably the most realistic thing is to buy a battery jump pack so we don't have to keep jumping it off Julie's bike. Now, so we could just use the jump pack to keep jumping the bike every time we shut it off, because Julie's positive cable on her bike is in a very, very weird and strange place. It's very difficult to hold it on there and to start the bike at the same time, so I found that jump pack, then that'll be a lot easier. We're going to do less damage too. However, it's Sunday, and Sundays in Europe, nothing's ever open. But we might get lucky. Check out these views over here in this lake. Unreal. Clouds stuck in that mountain up there. This is very cool.